APEC Water Systems ROES-50. APEC has been filtering water for 20 years. The APEC ROES-50 proprietary WQA Certified 5-stage carbon block filter and premium RO membrane filtration system removes up to 99% of contaminants. As both tap water and well water pass through each chamber, the result is nothing less than unlimited crisp, refreshingly clean, odorless drinking water. Supreme engineering and technology make the APEC ROES-50 America's #1 best reverse osmosis system brand. Virtually trouble and noise-free, this system is easy to assemble, and APEC guarantees every system is leak-free. No leak detector is needed. All APEC systems include 100% lead-free design brushed nickel faucets, plus food-grade tubing O-rings and parts. The entire APEC ROES-50 5-stage water filtration system weighs 25 pounds and measures 16 by 5.25 by 17.5 inches. Easily installs under a kitchen or bathroom sink. Warranty: 1-year standard APEC warranty, 2-year with product registration. Every APEC RO water filtration system comes with all parts, instruction videos, and easy-to-follow DIY instructions. Pros: proprietary 5-chamber carbon-blocking water filtration technology, guaranteed to remove up to 99% of all contaminants. Premium leak-free brushed nickel faucet included. Cons: consistent waste, sound of running water. Questionable and consistent plastic taste after initial installation. Only under kitchen and bathroom sink compatible.